Okay, so as we all know, for the next 5 months, I have planned to live in nature and go be with nature and explore beautiful Mother Nature in all these states. So obviously I'm going to be camping out of my Jeep and a tent. So I did build out my Jeep and everything. If you guys have watched my last videos, you'll know. But I just want to let you guys know before I start this video, because I know there's going to be some questions. I have decided that along these travels, because living in nature in my Jeep and tent for 5 months is going to be like huge adjustment. And obviously there's no showers and stuff like that. So I decided that every so often, like every 10 days or so, to get a little cabin. Not a hotel room, because I'm staying away from cities and towns. So figured I'd get a cabin for like 2 days, and that way I have somewhere to go regroup and just regroup. So one of the places that I'm staying at right now, this is it. It's a cabin. But this cabin is an off-grid cabin. So there's no like shower, no bathroom. They have a little outhouse. Actually, it's a little porta potty. So yeah, and then there was Wi-Fi. So I need to, when I regroup in these places, I need to have the Wi-Fi so I can catch up on my videos and everything. So I can catch up with you guys. So I wanted to share with you guys this little cabin that I'm staying in. It's on 70 acres of ranch. And it's an awesome couple named David and Barbara that own the ranch, and they have horses and they have goats. The goats are for pets. I already asked. I'm like, do you milk these goats? Because I wanted to see the goats be milked. But they're pets and they're cute. And they have chickens. So yeah, this is another spot that I found on Hipcamp. And you guys know me. I'm, like I said, trying to stay away from the towns and the cities, and this is actually away from all that. And I found it on Hipcamp, which I've been using a lot, and it was only $29 a night on Hipcamp, so you couldn't beat that. So I got to actually have a bed, regroup for a little bit, and then I leave tomorrow morning, back out in nature, sleeping in my Jeep and sleeping in my tent for about another week. And then I move on somewhere else. So I think, let's see, I think I have another, when I get to the next place tomorrow, I think I have like 11 more days before I'm actually in a cabin again. So yeah, I'm trying to be smart about this whole situation and everything. So yeah, let's see the cabin. So let me just start off by showing you guys, this is the view. And I saw some dirt bikes riding up those mountains back there, that dirt back there earlier. So there's the cabin and my Jeep. Cabin's a little messy right now because I've been in the cabin for a couple days. Got a little porch, a little stove. Little one's in here. Say hi, little one. Hi. And then I have my sleeping bag because I just prefer to sleep in my sleeping bag, and I'm letting little one get used to the sleeping bag. And look at how pretty she's sitting, guys. And they brought a little electric cord, extension cord, sorry, so I could have light, which wasn't a problem because I have lanterns. And then that's my favorite part right there, that wood burning stove. And though it hasn't really been that cold here, today has been a little cold because of the fact that it rained, and it's been raining all day. So I wanted to at least use it at least one time while I was here. So I used it today. And then I brought my fridge in. There is a TV, but I haven't watched it because I'm staying away staying away from watching TV on this trip. Say bye, little one. So let's go check out the rest of the place. So I'm at the entrance of the place, and as you guys can see, let me just show you guys. It's down a road, but there's nothing off the road. There's the other side. So it's pretty secluded. And then we have the entrance. But guess what? Not only is there horses, goats, chickens. Did I forget anything? Oh, they have a cute little dog named Annie. Dog is really cute too. But there's moo-moos. Moo-moos! For those of you that don't know what moo-moos are, those are cows. I like to call them moo-moos. Remember how I said they have goats and chickens? But I'm more excited to see these goats. So we're here to see the goats. There's one. Where'd the other ones go? Here's the other ones. Let me just turn them around so you guys can see the cute little goats. Oh, and the chickens. Well, hello there, little goat. And what is your name? How old are you? What is your favorite hobbies? What's your favorite food? Come here often? Well, hello there, two goats. And how are you guys doing today? How are you guys doing? Huh? And what is y'all's names? Is there anything that you guys would like to say to the people in YouTube? Anything you guys would like to say? How about you? Nothing? You have nothing to say either? Say hello. And what is your name? I have one eating my shorts right now. This guy was eating at my shorts. I guess my shorts are pretty tasty. Then we have, I'm no expert or anything, but I think that might be a rooster. Chicken. I don't know. Oh. Apparently my shorts are pretty tasty. Alright guys. Nice talk. Great interview. So not only do they have the off-grid cabin that I'm in, they also have a couple of other little buildings that they have on Airbnb. They have a little loft building, like a little 2-story loft, and then they have a little log house, which is kind of cute. So the little loft house was pretty cool. I got to meet 2 other ladies that were staying in the loft house yesterday, and they were in a Jeep. So of course we met, and go figure, they're doing the same thing that I'm doing. They built out their Jeep like I built mine out. They had a little platform in there, they had a little mattress and bed, and they were doing the same thing as me, getting little places to stay every so often to regroup and everything. So made me feel good when I met those ladies. I feel like now I'm on the right track and doing everything somewhat correctly. So then they have this cute little fire pit area. Kind of looks like it could be like a group fire pit place. It's pretty cute though. Let me tell you also, when I first got here, I asked them where the firewood was because I didn't know how cold it was going to be, or if it was going to be cold. And she's like, well, come right on over and I'll show you. So I go over there, they show me where the firewood is. And she's like, just pick whatever you want and take the firewood. If you need any help, we'll come and help you start the fire and everything. What really nice people. But yeah, so let me show you guys the little cute fire pit area. Got my hair back because I'm about to cook. But for dinner, got some good old ramen noodles. But I'm not using the seasoning packet, so I throw the seasoning packet out. And then I'm going to boil these in vegetable broth instead of water. And then I have a zucchini, spinach, portobello mushrooms, and all that's gonna go in here. Still cooking on a budget here.